I'm so excited to bring you the plank. Okay.
A simple plank.
All right. So you can always go into push-up position first. Okay. Now, don't want to be here. Don't want to be here. That's another thing you can do. But we're here. Okay. From there, I can go here. Okay. I can hold. This is pretty tough. This will challenge you after about a minute or so. Okay. If you would like to go a little further, right leg, left leg. Both legs. Just kidding, don't do that last one. Right leg, left leg, right arm, left arm, right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg. Jump up.
Well done.
There you go.
I got one.
What else you got?
This is the side plank. I like this one because it works the side, it works here really well, especially for the guys. This is it.
Those obliques. Ooh.
This is how I do it. I start here. I start right here. Sort of a patriotic one. Here, just a plank this way. But then to get this side, I come down this way, and up again. Now, if you don't want to do that, just stay right here. Just this is fine. But if you want to get the twist, down, away, down, away. I love this one.
You're a beautiful model.
See, it's easy. You can laugh when you're doing this.
Yeah. Actually, laughing makes it harder. So put a comedy on or something. Yeah. Try to do that and buckle down the abs.
That's it, so then, that's one side. Switch up. Just come over here. Again, this arm here, right, for balance. Feet out. I like them on top of each other. Come here. You can stay right here if you want. This is fine. Or hit the twist. Up. This is one of my favorites.
Good. Yeah, make sure those hips are up high.
Yeah, you don't want to be like this. This is not right.
There, yeah.
Great. One more. Got it.
There you go.
Different type of plank.
Okay, so going back to it, ground, great. Again, the push-up position adds a different component as well. What he was doing there with the T-plank. Hold here, hip dip down, hip dip up, and then come back, roll, coming back to here. Again, we're looking for this to not be down. We want this straight and up. Up, down, up, just like that. Also, everybody thinks about planking as being for the abs. What about the backside? What about the core back? How about the Superman? Holding this right here, okay? Glutes, paraspinals, all that stuff.
Head down.
Down, up, down. You can add motion. You can go opposites. You can go upper body only. You can go lower body only. Lower body, there we go. Lower body only, that's a tough one. And then everything together, so.
All right, I got a variation. Will they be able to see me over this thing?
No, you gotta be behind it.
Okay.
Behind that.
This is the variation. I actually do this one a lot.
Okay?
I don't know what it's called.
I don't know what it's called. It's called the Gojo.
Flat this
The
way.
Gojo.
Start with the hands this way. And then just come up for 10 seconds this way. Head down, not like this, down. Everything's up. I hold for about 10 seconds this way. And then I come back. Head up, everything up, and I stay here for about as long as I can. Usually about a minute altogether, maybe a little bit less. Head up, stay here, and then I just come back this way. That's it.
There we go. So I like that. I like that. That's solid.
That one will keep your posture straight as you get older. You start curving down, I want to push everything back in the opposite direction.
Acts like he's so old. What's that? Come on, man. Yes. Dude's not old. Dude's not old. Age is a word. It's not even a number. Age, spelled out, is a word. Do these. Live life to the fullest with energy, with action, with movement. Do all that good stuff. Booyah!
That's right. Good job.
Good job, man. Well done.
Thank you.
Yeah. See, look, we never stop. Look, it's like, I don't know. You let go first.
See you.
He's got me. He's got me. I promise I'll be a good model. Thank you guys so much.
Thanks.